Namaste, this is JVN Dr. Vishal Saxena, Associate Professor in Mathematics and Statistics in Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to discuss on the module Standardized Death Rate. This module is a part of the course Biostatistics and under the program of BSc FND third semester, Integrated BTech MTech FBT third semester, and BTech FBT third semester of the university. And as all we know that this part of the biostatistics, which is just dealing with the vital statistic and the mortality rates, is a very important topic, and that's why it is included in the various other courses of the university. So in the today's session we are discussing about the standardized death rate, and this topic of subject biostatistics is important for the calculation of the standardized death rates and the meaning of death rates. As all we know that the mortality rate is a very important part of the vital statistics, and having it different type of death rates like the crude death rate and specific death rate, which is also known as the age specific death rate, and the standardized death rate, which is also known as STDR. And this standardized death rate is important because by this we can just compare the death rates for the two different populations. That means if we have the two different populations and we have to compare their death rates, then we can use the concept of the standardized death rate. And the age specific death rate is also a very important component of the mortality rate, because it will give the death rates and for a particular age group, and which is very important to calculate for us, because different age groups will have different mortality rates, like the senior citizens and the infants will have the more death rates, more mortality rates as compared to the young people. And the standardized death rate is a very important part of the subject, and we can use it for the comparison, for the comparison of two different populations. And so in the today's session we are discussing about its formula, its mathematical approach and the concepts along with their applications, and we will understand here with example that so we take some slides to explain this more. Initially we are given that the concept of the crude death rate, because it is one of the part of the crude death, one of the part of the mortality rate, and this crude death rate is given by simply by the formula of D upon P into K, that is total registered deaths in a year upon total mid-year population of that year, and multiply by 1000. So just it is equal to total deaths in a year upon total mid-year population of that year, and multiply by 1000. And now we are having the concept of the specific death rate. The specific death rate is simply the death rates for a particular age group. It means just we can define it as the number of deaths in a particular age group divided by mid-year population of the age group, and multiply by 1000. So that is the concept of the specific death rate or the age specific death rate. Means by this we can find the death rates for a particular age group, and which will be very useful concept to find the death rates for a particular area, particular region, or the particular or a country, for like the for the just calculation of deaths in a particular year. So that is the concept of the age specific death rate. And now we are having this concept of STDR, which is known as the standardized death rate. And as we have already discussed about that, the standardized death rate is computed to compare the death rates of two different populations. So it means we can just use this concept of standardized death rate to compute the to compare the death rates for the two different populations. And according to Thomson and Lewis, so Thomson and Lewis just given and explained this concept as the standardized death rate based on the age specific death rates supplies a simple and accurate basis for comparing the death rates of the different populations. So it means these statisticians Thomson and Lewis explained and defined this standardized death rate in their own words, that this rate is based on the age specific death rate, and it will supply a simple and accurate basis for the comparison of the death rates of the different populations. Now this standardized death rate can be divided into two different types, and these two different types are known as direct standardized death rate and the indirect standardized death rate. So these are the two different types of the standardized death rate, and we can understand this as standardized death rate is equal to PS into DL upon PS. So this is a mathematical formula by which we can calculate the standardized death rate, and this is also known as the direct standardized death rate. So here what is PS and what is DL? So PS is showing here the standard population of a locality, while this DL just showing that the age specific death rate of the local population. So DL will be the age specific death rate, just we had discussed about that, and this is for the local population. So that is the DL, and the PS is the standard population of a locality. Now while what is the indirect standardized death rate? In the case of the indirect standardized death rate, the age specific death rate of a locality is taken as the standard for the computation, and the following formula is applied. So this kind of the death rate, which is known as the indirect standardized death rate, is the case it can be used in the case of the indirect standardized death rate. The age specific death rate of a locality is taken as the standard. Just we can take here the death rates, the specific death rates of a locality as a standard value for the computation, and the following formula can be applied to find it. So here this formula is given by PL into DS upon PL. So DS is showing here the standardized age specific death rate. So it is the standardized age specific death rate, and while PL is showing that the population of the locality, it is the population of the locality. So this will provide us the indirect standardized death rate, and if we have to find the standardized death rate, in the simple words we have to find the standard death rate for a particular age group, then we can just use this formula here, and this formula we can use in which PS into DL upon PS is there, and where DL means the age specific death rate of the local population can be taken there. That is a simply age specific death rate of the local population, while the PS is showing that standard population of the locality or the standardized population of that locality. So this formula will give us the concept of the standardized death rate, means it can be used to compare the two populations for their death rates. So this topic, standardized death rate, is an important topic for the concept of the mortality rate and the death rates or the death rates for a particular region, for a particular area or the location, and we can just solve the numericals with the help of such formulas. We are just in both the formulas for the direct and the indirect standardized death rates. The concept is based on the age specific death rate of the population. So that is important point, and we have to learn about that. We have to understand about that, the concept of age specific death rate for this also. And so students are advised to prepare this topic with concepts and take numerical questions for this topic, and just they should do the problems of crude death rate and age specific death rate, and the STDR means the standardized death rate, and this standardized death rate, how it will be different from other two death rates, and what are the applications, and where just these death rates, mortality rates will be used. And students are advised also to prepare for objective questions also, because of in the competitive examinations in recent years, the question paper of objective question type questions will be asked. So definitely they have to prepare the objective type questions of such tests, and attempt to do some more tests for the preparation. And I am concluding my today's session with this. Thank you.